guys, it's me and today. Oh, and you can see my floats, right? I'm going to swimming pool later. I don't know when, but I have my little brother. He's gonna go too.
Say hi to the brother.
Hey, Rick, say hi. So, okay. And here I have a shark. Oh my gosh, guys. I love this. OMG. No. I love this Omy Gif. It's so amazing because when I buy this, when I'm like at peeing and I'm swimming at a swimming pool, and then I got a shark. A shark is like I'm at a swimming pool. So yeah. Oh my gosh, there's an ice cream one too. Oh look, there's a tree. And now I'm at peeing. Don't you want to see it? Ta-da! Oh, that's the swimming pool where you go in. So, yeah. So, that's my things. I love this box, the way it looks like. Oh my gifts gone live. And look, there's an avocado. I always want this avocado because it can spin his face. Look, spin. And look, here there's a pizza. It's like and here's like it says I heart you. So I'm so excited. So let's close it back because later I'm gonna go swimming. And of course I gotta go swimming. So I'm gonna close this. Oh, and there's also this one. So cute. There's like toasted, and then there's a bread like and it's like already died. Look, so cute. Oh, and look at this. This is like a jam, and then when you
Mama, tengok dia naik banana boat tu lah. Dia berani tu lah. Tak nak.
Ta-da! There's a thing, and then when you close it, there's nothing. When you open it, there's something.
Anak ke tak? Anak you? Anak. Sulung. Ini dua. Laki tiga.
Bye guys. So remember to buy this at Toys R Us, Walmart, or Target. Remember to buy this at online Shopee or Lazada or Toys R Us or Target or Walmart. So remember to buy this. Oh my God.